Hi, my name is Dhruv, and for my chemistry final, I'm going to be doing a baking soda and vinegar reaction. Now this may seem simple, but to quote the great Matt Damon, I'm going to science the crap out of it. So we have 250 milliliters of vinegar right here, which I will pour into this. And put up front so it's easier to see. Now, here I have 30 grams of baking soda, which I will put into here. This is the reaction. As you can see, it bubbles up because of the production of carbon dioxide. Now that the reaction is done, I'll explain the science behind it. The first thing we want to calculate is the theoretical yield and then the amount of leftover reactant. So I have to find out the chemical equation, which is this. I also calculated the molar masses of the baking soda and the vinegar, as well as how much we have in it. So the first thing we have to find out is the number of moles of the baking soda that there is. We started with 30, so we divide by the molar mass to get the number of moles. Next, we have to find the number of moles of the vinegar. This is tricky because the vinegar that we used was only 6% vinegar, meaning it was 94% water. So, in order to take a volume and turn it into a mass, we have to use a density formula. But because it's 94% water, we have to use the ratios. So here we have 0.94 times the density of water plus 0.06 times the density of vinegar. This comes out to a mass of 250.15 grams, and adjusted to just the vinegar, because that's all we care about, comes out to 15.009 grams. Next, we have to find the moles of vinegar, which is just like we did up here, divide by the molar mass, comes out to this many moles. So now that we have the amount of baking soda and vinegar that we have, we can finally calculate the theoretical yield of carbon dioxide and the amount of leftover reactant. We know that the vinegar is the limiting reactant because it's less moles. So we do a 1-to-1 conversion from vinegar to carbon dioxide as per our chemical equation, and then we multiply by the molar mass to get this many grams of carbon dioxide as our theoretical yield. For the leftover reactant, we would subtract the moles of vinegar from the moles of baking soda and come up with this many moles, which we would then multiply by the moles or the molar mass of the baking soda to come up with this many grams of baking soda left over. Thank you.